YouTube? It's your boy Space Man, and we back with another video, my boy. The Cal came in, nigga. Yes, sir. We got some swag on the way, custom made by your boy. We finna go crazy. It don't fit my big ass head with my big ass. Oh, shawty, let me see some. We might play a little 2K tonight just cause I ain't been playing that motherfucker at all, guys. We really don't need to see the cam. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Bro, I thought they was gonna have the fucking bar on them. Fuck. That's tragic. That's so fucking tragic, guys. Fuck, bro. I mean, I think that shit's still gonna be cool, but fuck, bro. They don't have a bar, guys. Damn, bro. That shit suck. Fuck. Right here, we retiming broke car because we just put it back together, and because he had to get his spark plug hole rethreaded on one of his heads, so we had to take it off the car. I turned it back, but gone retarded some.
Had to put your fingers on it.
Yeah. That's advancing.
I'm supposed to do that shit.
Do what?
Turn off with that little bit of adjustment.
Just adjusting it a little bit more just so it can run a little bit smoother. Bro wasn't exactly happy with it.
The whole car is shaking, bro. It's not running smooth.
Just give it a little bit of it. Yeah, like that. She should be cool. At least for right now.
Damn fans.
Yep, they not on.
What's up with you?
As y'all can hear right here in the clip, it's breaking up a little bit on acceleration, so we about to pull over and adjust the car. Nigga trip.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? You want to...
Break it up a little bit. I wasted a lot of oil over there. I think we got it now.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, that'll move. Damn, nigga, hold on. Slow down on the backup now. Don't go too crazy. Don't forget about your shit fucking up.
Oh, yeah.
Shit, hell no, nigga. I see it all in. Hell no, nigga. Break it up a little bit. Yeah. Hey, mama.
Y'all come to work on the car?
Yeah.
That's gonna fall. It's like when? All right.
Huh? The camera? Alright guys, we done messing with bro car for a little bit right now. About to come back over here to the white thing. Look at this nigga dancing and shit. But yeah, finish put the white thing together. Let's go. Oh, just in case we ain't tell y'all, we ended up destroying the cam, the flat tappet cam, so I had to buy a roller cam. And we put in a new we also put a new chain and gear on there as well.
Yeah, I gotta get some more water. This shit look like these hoes.
Oh
I definitely gotta watch these hoes. These hoes too dirty.
Boy, the Beamer's so dirty, it's ridiculous. It's turning yellow.
Right here, guys, I'm just moving the lifters up and down in the boards to try to lubricate them and get them smooth, because some of them is kind of a little bit of friction in there. So that's what you see me doing right here.
Both the lovers out at one time. Shit.
Hey, we got the mother getting push rods, boy. Look, and we got them fire ones too. Howards too, boy. Hold on, I gotta turn that music off though, y'all. Look at that shit. Ooh, candy. He was over there getting ready to go in. I'm hungry than a motherfucker, but it don't matter, cause I gotta work before I eat. Alright guys, right here we putting the rocker arms and the push rods in. We don't have the same cam. We got a new cam. I think I lost the files of me recording when the new cam came in, because I sent that other comp cam back. We got a Howard roller cam in here now with Howard push rods also, and they the right length. Because I also had in those clips that I lost me showing you guys that we ordered the wrong length push rods, so we had to send those back and order a different length. So we got all that straightened out, and we throwing this thing back together, man. Hopefully we could start this beast up and hear it roar and be happy, and we could drive it up and down the road and wherever else we want to take her. Let her have blow in the wind, you know what I mean? I just want to tell y'all too, when y'all, if y'all ever build a small block or a big block and you got push rod guide plates, make sure that you adjust them with the push rods moving up and down. Try to move them up and down before you tighten them down, and make sure they move up and down freely between those little slits for the guide plates, man. Because if it rub up against them, it's gonna cause friction and it's gonna start scraping the side of your push rods, and it's gonna be all kind of metal flakes all in your engine. So yeah, just look out for that, man, when if you put your own guide plates on.
Alright guys, I got my harmonic balancer installer tool ready to go. I forgot to show y'all me setting it up, but it's too late now. Trying to move a little quick, guys, because we losing daylight. Alright guys, so you want to put your bushing on this way around with the spinner facing out. Then put your nut on. That's what she said.
I need space on the beat.
Alright, we taking a break on that. Right here, y'all can see me muscling this radiator with the fans on there, cause it's just me right now. I don't know where bro was at. I don't remember, but yeah, man, we got the radiator in. It's coming together. All we gotta do is put the intake on. We already got the front assembly all together, as y'all can see right here in this clip. Alternator and the belts and stuff are already ready to go. All we gotta do is drop the intake, which we're doing right now, and then the rest is history. Carburetor, distributor, valve covers.
I never heard nobody say that until I heard you start saying that shit.
Alright guys, we're gonna end the video right here, and then we're gonna pick it back up in the next one. Stay tuned.
You ain't missing nothing. No, it wasn't really packing.